Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about how you can boost your self-esteem with some smart home tips. First off, setting the right ambience in your home can make a big difference in how you feel about yourself. Invest in some smart lights that can be adjusted to different colors and brightness levels to create a calming and uplifting atmosphere. Now, let's talk about organization. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind, so take some time to declutter and organize your home. Invest in smart storage solutions that can help you keep things tidy and organized. And finally, surround yourself with positivity. Consider getting a smart mirror that displays daily affirmations or motivational quotes to help boost your self-esteem every day. Remember, your home is a reflection of yourself, so take the time to create a space that makes you feel good about yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Uplifting ending sentence. You deserve to feel confident and happy in your own home. Stay positive and keep shining. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you 10 mindful ways to break your routine in smart homes. First up, try setting a morning routine with your smart home assistant. Have it wake you up with gentle music or a motivational quote to start your day on a positive note. Next, why not incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine? Use smart home technology to create a peaceful atmosphere for meditation or yoga sessions. By incorporating these mindful ways into your smart home routine, you can break free from the monotony and experience moments of calm and relaxation in your busy day. Remember, it's important to take time for yourself and find ways to break your routine in your smart home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of self-driving cars and discussing a surprising way they could lose confidence. One of the key components of a self-driving car's technology is its sensors, which allow it to detect and respond to its surroundings. However, these sensors can sometimes be thrown off by unexpected factors, such as extreme weather conditions or sudden changes in road infrastructure. This leads us to our first point. If a self-driving car's sensors become overwhelmed or confused, it may lose confidence in its ability to navigate safely. This could result in the car becoming hesitant or making risky decisions on the road. Furthermore, our second point is that self-driving cars rely heavily on data and algorithms to make split-second decisions. If these systems encounter errors or glitches, it could cause the car to doubt its own abilities. So, next time you see a self-driving car on the road, remember that even the most advanced technology can sometimes lose confidence. But with continued advancements and improvements, we're confident that self-driving cars will soon become a reliable and safe mode of transportation. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay curious.
Hey there, virtual reality enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 key tips for consistent development in virtual reality that you must know. First and foremost, it's important to stay updated with the latest VR technology and trends. By keeping yourself informed, you can adapt and grow along with the ever-evolving VR landscape. Secondly, don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of what VR can offer. Try out different games, experiences, and tools to expand your skills and creativity in the virtual world. Remember, consistency is key in virtual reality development. Set aside dedicated time each day to practice and improve your VR skills. By staying committed and focused,